go hide in one of the rooms. They're gonna prepare a couple of things for us to eat. We're gonna get blindfolded and we're gonna taste them.
We're gonna do the taste challenge.
You're so formal.
We are going to start this challenge.
We will now commence the festivities.
The procedure.
Okay.
What?
Yeah, am I parallel?
Imagine my bag's like here.
Give me your hand.
No!
Give me a hand. Give me a hand.
Give me your hand.
There you go.
Ew, what is this?
No!
What is this?
Danny already put it in his mouth.
Then is it right?
Guys, get out of the way.
It's chocolate!
The camera.
With something though.
I can't eat it.
I'm licking it, it's too hard.
Put it in your mouth.
I'm gonna fucking
Why does it taste so weird?
lose a tooth.
This shit's harder than fuck.
Ow!
Guys, the
It's one of those
camera is
chocolates.
blocking it.
Alright, here's my guess.
It's a chocolate.
It's a chocolate, but like it's not fully chocolate.
Wrong.
There's something
Wrong.
inside.
Is it a gummy bear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a lifesaver.
No.
Gummy-O's.
No.
I don't know what that is.
It's a circle.
It's a gummy candy. That's it.
Okay, that's good. We got it.
So we got 1 point!
Yeah.
Why are you taking it off?
Oh, I thought we won already.
Alright, each one is gonna be given a spoon.
Look, from now on.
A spoon? Fuck you mean?
Babe, you guys ready? Open it up.
Wait up, I wanna touch it first.
No.
No!
It's egg. It's
Where
egg.
is that though?
Oh, it was eggs, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, another spoon. Where's the
No more spoons.
No, that's it. Now you guys all get something different.
Once they each get
Really?
their pad and then...
Yeah.
It's Tylenol.
Lemon.
Is it Tylenol?
It's lemon.
Hello?
What is this?
This is baby medicine.
What is this?
This is lemon. It has something. It's
Ew.
Am I correct?
Yeah.
What is that?
It's lemon.
Yes, you got yours right there.
Oh.
You got yours right, baby. You
Why
got
the hell did you just give him lemon?
This is medicine.
This is medicine.
Yo, mine is not medicine. Mine is mustard with some type of vegetable. Am I right?
What is it though?
What vegetable?
I don't know vegetables, yo.
Can I try it?
Yes.
Where are you at? Alright, where you at though?
There.
Ew, it's
Go.
I got you. So we're gonna get everything prepared for the girls right now. Put the tape around his knee.
This expires today.
9.
Yeah.
This is amazing.
When I count to 3,
You chug.
You-
You
you
chug.
chug.
2, 3.
go.
You're cheating.
Go.
It doesn't smell like anything.
Milk? It has something
Milk?
inside. It has something inside!
Drink.
Is it
No!
coconut water?
No, it's not
What?
good.
Is it coconut water?
Okay, go in order. Anna, what do you think it is? This is your second guess. What do you think it is?
Panetela with milk.
Yes, yes, she got it.
Open.
It's a candle.
It's a 1, 2, 3.
Orange juice? This is
Orange
pediatrician
juice.
shit.
Orange juice and what? No, it's orange juice.
Is anybody recording?
Put that in your mouth, baby.
It smells. Ew, what the fuck is that? Is that cookies food? It's disgusting. Is that dog food? Orange juice? Am I done with the plan? You're very disgusting.
Guys, read the date on that.
Y'all wanna?
I just said no expired
You
shit.
lied. Obviously.
February.
Yo, I smell it. It's so disgusting, bro. What the fuck?
I don't
Give me a
read.
second. Hold
Open.
on. On
Is
3.
it all the same thing?
Yes.
It's baby food.
Wait, open.
That's baby food. Wow.
With pizza.
No.
Where the fuck is the napkin?
That's applesauce with something else. I can't really tell.
Keep eating it. Figure it
Try
out.
it. Open your
The
mouth.
applesauce overpowers it. There's honey in there too.
No, there
No.
isn't.
That's applesauce though.
And
With what?
Can I have another napkin?
He spit all over his mouth.
I got bird food.
yes.
Ah!
Alright, give me.
No, I'm not gonna. You're not gonna feed
Alright,
it.
doesn't the spoon.
Oh no! Ah!
Ready?
Here, open.
Bleh!
Babe, open. I'm
No, you're not. No,
I'm
you're
feeding you with a spoon.
not. No!
I have a spoon in my hand.
Where's the fucking napkin?
It's honey. There you go up.
Stop.
Fuck. Hey Danny.
Fuck.
Hey Danny, listen.
It's too dark over here.
Yo, it was honey with some other shit.
No.
That literally turned my stomach, yo.
Yeah. And what else?
That's not gonna get puked on.
Cookie, come. Hey, somebody come.
Alright, cool. It's fine. I went down.
That's just-
Okay, so I literally just almost threw up, and this is not a joke. No.
Babe, come on, babe.
Oh, I smell it!
It's
Give me.
ketchup. It's ketchup.
No. Catch on my ass!
This is so good.
So that round was over. I got it pretty good. Almost threw up twice. I give him credit for that. But now, we're gonna get him back even worse. Look at what Angel's doing.
Me. 1, 2, 3,
Go! Go!
That's
No!
floor cleaner. Floor cleaner and
What is that? Why does it taste musky?
Hey, keep going.
the dirt. That's fucking dirt.
Why does it taste musky? What the fuck?
That's a
Is
floor
that
cleaner dirt. Ew. Give me a
Ew.
napkin,
What
babe.
the fuck? Give me napkin. What is that?
I know baby comes down in front.
Am I right?
Why was it lemony too?
Am I
I'm
right?
gonna throw up. Baby, you can go outside. You're gonna go outside.
Why did you guys?
Cookie, move. Cookie, no. Get away. It's so gross. Yeah, we're going.
I've been legit holding that the whole day.
I don't know how to throw up.